Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the GMINDAI Quote of the Day tool. In this video, you'll learn how to create, customize, and export your quote of the day in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, select Quote of the Day from the menu. Next, type in the topic you'd like the quote to focus on. Then, choose the grade level that best matches your learners. Once you're ready, click Generate. Within seconds, GMINDAI will create a complete quote based on your inputs. Now it's time to review. You can edit, reorder, or delete any part of the quote. Simply click on the text to make changes. This ensures your quote of the day fits your learners and your purpose. You can also translate your quotes into different languages. This makes GMINDAI multilingual and helps learners better understand the message. When you're satisfied, export your quote as a PDF, Word document, or Google Doc. You can also save it directly to your GMINDAI library for future use. To access your saved documents on the GMINDAI platform, click on My Workspace. From the drop-down menu, select Library, and you'll see all your saved documents ready to use. These tools give you the flexibility to personalize quotes even further, making them fast, accurate, and professional. And that's it. You're now ready to create inspiring quotes of the day with GMINDAI. For more tutorials, visit our Help Center or subscribe for updates. Enjoy GMINDAI, powered by GoToCourse.